Question 4. Rhea buys a van for £8,500 plus VAT at 20%. Rhea pays a deposit for the van. She then pays the rest of the cost in 12 equal payments of £531.25 a month. Find the ratio of the deposit to the total of the 12 equal payments. Give your answer in the simplest form. So, if Rhea buys a van for £8,500 plus VAT at 20%, we can say that we start off with 100% and we add 20% to give us 120% in total. So 120% as a decimal is 1.2. So 8,500 times 1.2 will give me £10,200. So that's the total amount that's paid. Rhea pays a deposit, she then pays the rest in 12 equal payments of £531.25. So if we find the total amount of the repayments here, then we can find out the difference between the two, and the difference must be the deposit. So we do £531.25 times 12, and that's going to give us £6,375. So finding the difference between 10,200 and 6,375 will give us how much she paid in deposit. So then what we've got is 3,825 when we put it into the calculator. So what we want to do is find the ratio of the deposit to the total of the 12 equal payments. So the deposit is going to be 3,825 to the ratio of the payments, and so the sum of those payments was 6,375. So looking at this, the easiest way is to say, right, both these numbers end in a 5, so I'm going to divide them both by 5. And that will then give me 765 to 1275. Again, they both end in 5, so I can divide by 5 and divide by 5. And then I've got 153 to 1275. Oh, no, sorry, that's the same number again. 153 to 255. And so now we can look, 1 add 5 add 3 is 9, 5 add 5 is 10, add 2 is 12. So both these numbers are in the 3 times table, so we can divide by 3. And we get 57 to 85. Bit of a trickier one this time, and these numbers can both be divided by 17. So if we divide by 17, then we end up with a final ratio of 3 to 5.